So what's up, guys? How are you doing? So I'm here at the Langata, and we are going to check the Langata Timol Junction flyover during the night. So this is the situation. So guys, here's how the Timol junctions look like. The Timol junction flyover. So the time is about 20:10 hours. The Langata Road connects to major areas like Mbagathi towards Ongata-Rongai, Bomas Cavern area, and also Ngong, and also people who passes through the southern bypass. So this will ease the traffic jam between the city and these other estates, because they have to pass through the roundabout here, and the roundabout is what causes a lot of traffic jam around. The reason that they have used that, they think we can call it metal instead of the usual concrete pillars, is because maybe it's to allow for future expansion, because if they use these metallic pillars, when they need to expand in future, you'll just have to unscrew it and move to the desired direction and allow for future road expansion.